For being here today. I really appreciate this turnout. This is just really wonderful. My name is Shane Shumway. I'm president of Whiting Brothers Investment Company, and we have been operating here in Arizona for 5 generations, and here in Prescott for that many generations as well. And we are so excited about this project. I will make this brief today because I know you're taking time from busy schedules. And so I'll be brief. I just want to say a few words. Then I'd have asked Mayor Good to say a few words and then Mayor Rusing to say a few words. Then we're just going to take a photo. We'll take 3 photos, but the first one will be with city staff and city elected officials. So with that, really the purpose of my words today are just to say thank you to those individuals who have been so critical in bringing this project to life. I believe now we've been working in some sort of fashion 7 years on this project. I think the city's been sort of discussing and debating and considering what to do here, I think for at least 7 years. And so this today really brings to fruition 7 years of work, and that's a lot of work by a lot of individuals. And I want to say thank you so much to the city of Prescott for one, having a vision for downtown Prescott. This is a historic downtown. It's a downtown that's important not just to the city, but it's important regionally and nationally. And it's, you know, vibrant downtowns don't just happen. They take a lot of work, and I'm grateful to the city for being willing to put in that work, to city staff. I believe we engaged in at least 10 public meetings on this project. Some of those are more fun than others, and I'm grateful for city staff and their patience as we worked through all of those meetings. So first of all, thank you to the city. Can we just give a round of applause to the city of Prescott real quick? I also want to acknowledge just the dignitaries that are here. I know that there are dignitaries from a lot of elected officials' offices today. It means a tremendous amount to us that you would be here and support us on this day. The second round of thanks, I just want to say thanks to individuals in those groups who are willing to invest in downtown Prescott. And I'm so grateful for them. We have great investment partners. Projects like this are risky. They take a lot of risk. And I'm grateful for our investment partners at Card & Bowden, Card & Hyatt, and the Trejo offices. Thank you guys for being willing to invest with us. It means a tremendous amount. So thank you. I want to also just say thank you to the community members who showed up and supported us at all of our public meetings. We had a few that came. When projects are supported, sometimes support is not as vocal as opposition. But we did get a lot of support at our community meetings from Dennis Gallagher. He showed up multiple times at our meetings, and like I know, yeah, thank you, Dennis. I know there are others here, and I don't mean to leave you out, but I really do just want to say thank you so much for showing up and supporting us during this time. With that said, I'd love to hear from Mayor Good and then Mayor Rusing.
Well, thank you, Shane. I know I have to agree. It's been a long time coming. I remember when the previous mayor put together his FOPU group, the Facilities Optimization and Public Utilization, Property Utilization Group, when they were trying to figure out what we would do with the deteriorating old city hall. We had so many problems with that, leaky roofs and flooding basements and everything else, even though it was, 63 years old, and it was certainly deteriorating to the point where a new city hall had to be established. So they looked around the whole area, and there was an agreement. We had to have it close to the downtown core. But trying to redevelop this site into a new city hall would mean that city government would have to be relocated for several years somewhere else, and that didn't seem to be a legitimate option. So that's when the new City Hall building became available, and we were able to renovate it and make it utilized as a functional City Hall. Um, but isn't it amazing how big this property is when there's no buildings on it? But I have to give Stephen and Shane Shumway credit for their willingness to listen to the community, redesign the hotel numerous times to be able to make it fit in with the architecture and be complementary to the old post office and the federal courthouse across the street, and of course the courthouse plaza itself. I just think when you see the pictures here, if you haven't seen them before, it's really a nice design that will be complementary to the architecture in the city. So I am very proud to be able to be involved from the beginning of this project to the groundbreaking today. And Shane and Stephen being involved in this and being so patient, spending a lot of money to redesign and uh, reconfigure this new hotel. I'm sure it's going to be a substantial and a very valuable asset to the city. And we could certainly use the bed tax, can't we? So thank you, Shane, and please extend my thank you to your brother too for all this work. It's going to be a exciting hotel to be able to contribute to the city.
Good afternoon. I'd like to thank Shane and his brother and his team for investing in our community to keep our downtown vibrant. This isn't his first project here. I'm sure you're all familiar with the flagship Hilton Garden Inn project. That is such a unique project where he combined a modern hotel with the historic train trestle and the old Sam Hill warehouse. And that's one of the reasons why last week we had our State of the City breakfast there to showcase that wonderful property. So here we are again. We've got another property, and Shane and the Porter Brothers construction company, they're going to bring it in on time. When are we going to be here for the ribbon cutting? We got to put that on our calendar. About two. Is it going to be about 2 years, maybe? Yeah. If we have this beautiful weather, maybe a year and a half. But seriously, this is going to keep our downtown vibrant. It's going to help out with our tourism industry. It's going to employ people. We're going to get it on the tax rolls. And this, I just want to thank you for hanging in there with us. And maybe we'll have a few more projects in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I believe the Chamber of Commerce had an item.
Well, good morning or afternoon, everybody. I'm Heather Seats, and I am a Chamber Ambassador with Prescott Chamber of Commerce. Shane, I just want to say congratulations. We're so excited for you and so excited for this property. I was born and raised in Prescott. Used to come visit my uncle here at this building, here, and my parents celebrated their 50th anniversary at Sam Hill Warehouse. So just want to thank you for preserving the memories that I have as a kid and bringing in a whole new generation of memories. So thank you all for being here, and we want to present you with the Prescott Chamber of Commerce Certificate of Special Recognition. So thank you so much. Congratulations. Thanks a lot.
All right. Thank you so much, everybody. We're going to just take a quick photo. I've asked some of those individuals who have been critical in getting us to this point to come join the photo. So if I've asked you to do that, please come up. I also want to acknowledge Dustin Jones with National Bank of Arizona here. He's somewhere in the back. They're been critical on this project as well. They've been a great partner for more than 50 years for us. So they're a great partner for downtown Prescott as well. So with that, if we can go ahead and take the photo and then continue to mingle, or if you want to help us start actually moving some of the dirt for real, we'd really appreciate that.